Introducing UReality VR, immersive training built for real industrial work. Train hands-on in a fully interactive environment where users learn by doing, not just watching. The result? Faster training time and stronger skill retention. And organizations cut costs compared to traditional setups. Practice complex and high-risk procedures in a safe, controlled environment. No downtime, no damaged equipment, no risk. From everyday maintenance to dangerous tasks in industries like nuclear and heavy manufacturing, UReality VR lets your team build real competence before entering the real world. UReality VR transforms training into a practical, measurable process, reducing errors, improving performance, and getting your workforce ready from day one. Train faster, train safer, perform better with UReality VR.